Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a 1710. It was supposed to have a good running motor. This one didn't. Just didn't turn out. Actually, it'll run really well on one cylinder. We're going to take some WD-40 and we're going to put it right down the cylinder. And watch it when we turn it over. Definitely a broken rod, no compression on this side right here. It does have great spark, there's no question about it, but we'll have to just part this machine out. Everyone have a great day. Thanks for watching Cub Cadet, and we'll see you on the next video.